B syndrome, pain on left lower neck and shoulder. Male, age 14, pain on the lower neck and shoulder. This child had 2 cycling accidents in recent years. 3 months ago, he was taking part in a race and again fell off his bicycle onto his left side while cycling at high speed. He felt pain on the left side of his neck and the posterior and upper aspect of the left shoulder. The pain was worse on moving the shoulder joints, and the symptoms were still present after 3 months. When he tries to cycle, he has aching from the shoulder to wrist with some numbness of the anterior aspect of the forearm. At the time of the accident, he was x-rayed and there was no bone injury or displacement. The diagnosis was whiplash injury to the cervical spine with soft tissue injury to the shoulder. He was treated with physiotherapy and local cortisone injections. He also saw a chiropractor and took homeopathic remedies, but the symptoms persisted. His general health is good. On examination, there was a slight swelling on the left side of the neck with tenderness on the left side of the spinous process of C7. The posterior and superior aspect of the left shoulder were tender. He was unable to raise his left arm anteriorly more than 140 degrees. His right shoulder movements were normal. Tongue, normal body, thin white coating. Pulse, slightly wiry. Analysis of symptoms, history of recurrent injury, so there is blood stasis from trauma. Number 2, pain on the neck and shoulder with limitation of movement, obstruction in the channel. Number 3, numbness, malnourishment of the channel. Number 4, wiry pulse means pain. Basic theory of case. Painful obstruction of blood is usually considered to be obstruction or blood stasis in the channel as a result of exposure to wind, and possibly also cold and dampness. This may occur during sleep or after heavy physical exertion, which causes profuse sweating. The main symptoms are pain in the limbs and joints, numbness, or paresthesia of the limbs, and a choppy pulse. The basic pathological change is poor circulation of blood leading to malnourishment of the muscle and skin. The essential problem is blood stasis. Accordingly, in the clinical situation, joint pain caused by blood stasis is generally referred to as blood painful obstruction. This category includes both trauma and the invasion of pathogenic factors which cause blood stasis. Some patients who exhibit the symptom have no history of precipitating factors. They are also included in this group. Thank you for your attention.